Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of buckle. A shape distorted by twisting or folding. Warp. Fastener that fastens together two ends of a belt or strap. Often has loose prong. Fasten with a buckle or buckles. Clasp. Fold or collapse. His knees buckled. Crumple. Bend out of shape, as under pressure or from heat. The highway buckled during the heat wave. Heave, warp.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.